Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wondered how you can take a normal photo in Canva and give it a fresh, creative twist by changing its shape, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through step by step how to change the shape of any picture using Canva, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have mastered a simple skill that can make your design stand out, whether you're making a social post, a flyer, or something totally unique. So let's jump right in and get started. Alright, let's say you've already uploaded your picture into Canva. Maybe it's a photo of yourself, a product, or even your adorable pet. Whatever the image, the cool thing is that in Canva, you're not limited to just the regular old rectangle or square. You can actually fit a picture into almost any shape you can think of: a circle, a star, speech bubble, even a heart. This is done using something called frames. So let's see how that works. First up, take a look at the sidebar on the left side of your Canva workspace. You'll see a panel with lots of options. Find and click on Elements. This is where all the magic happens. It's like the treasure chest for creative tools in Canva. Once you're inside Elements, you can either type the word Frames into the search bar at the top to quickly find what you need, or if you want to explore, simply scroll down until you spot the Frames section. Sometimes it's nice to scroll and see all the creative possibilities. You might spot a shape you didn't even know you wanted. Once you're in the Frames section, take a moment to browse through the different shapes. You'll see circles, rectangles with rounded edges, stars, even some more complex designs like iPhone outlines or letters of the alphabet. Think about how the frame shape might enhance your design. For example, circular frames are great for profile pics, while a heart frame can add a sweet, playful touch to a personal project. When you find a shape you like, just click and drag it onto your blank canvas. It'll pop up right in the middle, but don't worry, you can move and resize it later as needed. Now you've got your chosen frame sitting on your canvas. Here, where the fun really begins. Click on the picture you want to use, either from your uploads or from another design element on the canvas. Grab your photo and drag it straight onto the frame you just added. As soon as your mouse hovers over the frame, you'll notice a subtle animation. The image seems to sort of snap or lock into the shape. Let go, and instantly your picture is beautifully cropped to fit the frame. If you see part of your image is off-center, don't worry. Double-click the frame, and you'll be able to reposition and zoom in or out on your photo inside the shape, making sure it shows off exactly the part of the picture you want. Take a moment with this. Sometimes it takes a try or two to get it looking just right. And really, that's it. You've just changed the shape of your picture in Canva. It's a simple move, but it can totally elevate your design, helping you stand out, grab attention, or communicate something extra with your imagery. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you want to see more Canva tips and tricks. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and happy designing.